Hello everyone, my name is Aditi and today I am going to tell you a story. Today's story is Anaisha's Courage. Anaisha's Courage. So let's start. One evening, Anaisha and her father went to the forest to collect firewood for their home. As they gathered sticks, Anaisha wandered a little too far and soon realized that she had lost sight of her father. The sun was setting, and she knew that she had to find her way back quickly. As she hurried through the trees, a strange man with menacing looks suddenly appeared before her, holding a knife. "Give me everything you have," he demanded. Anaisha, staying calm, removed her scarf and handed it over. The man then pointed at the axe she carried and shouted, "Give me that too." Thinking quickly, Anaisha threw the axe towards him with force. It struck his hand, causing him to drop his knife. Grabbed the fallen knife and held both weapons firmly, standing her ground. Just then, her father appeared from behind and struck the man with a heavy stick. The man, injured and frightened, ran away into the darkness. Anaisha's father embraced her proudly. You were very brave," he said. Together they returned home, knowing that courage often shines the brightest in the face of danger. Moral: true bravery appears in moments of fear. If you like our video, like, share, and for more videos, subscribe to our channel.